Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be transforming into She Dracula. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, darlings, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.
No man can harm us unless he brought a stake to our hearts. Or beheads us.
Okay, you guys, onto the video. Hope you enjoyed the introduction. So we're just gonna take our primer and go ahead and put that all over our face so that we can apply our foundation. I am gonna use a black eyebrow pencil. This one is from Smoke and Mirrors. I actually love this one. But before we put the brows on, we're gonna go ahead and fill in that face with some foundation. I'm using two foundations. One is my shade and then one is a little bit lighter than my skin tone. So I'm gonna mix those two together and then apply that to my face, and then I'm gonna go in and tag them brows. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my brows up. I did fill it in black for this look because we're going dead. Our eyebrows are gonna be dark too, and I'm filling it in with the same foundation that I mixed to put on my face. And so to clean this up, and then you guys, I looked at my brows in the mirror and I'm like, these look like Ronald McDonald eyebrows. I cannot. So I went back in off camera and made that gradient effect so that we can give these eyebrows back to life, honey, because I just cannot walk around like that. Some people really walk around like this in real life. Like, no. Real eyebrows have gradient effects. So that's what I went back and added in there. So I'll just let you guys keep watching. Okay, you guys, on to the fun part. I'm going to go ahead and contour and highlight my face. I used gray eyeshadow. However, looking back, I should have used a black eyeshadow or a black pigmented to go ahead and fill in the contours, because if you're a little more darker skin, you're gonna need a darker color, if you get what I'm saying. So I put light on top of light, which kind of casted it out because I didn't use white paint. I used actually foundation. So I had to make it work. So I had to go back in and fix it up and baby it up so that we can get that contour right, honey. Okay, you guys, we're going to take our LA Colors Frisky palette and we're going to use this kind of apricot color orange as a transition color before we apply the burgundy into the crease of our eye and then underneath the eye. So I'll just let you guys keep watching. Make sure that you are blending. Blend, 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 blend. That's going to be your best friend, because if you're not blending, you're going to have the harsh lines and just girl, they're not cute. Okay, you guys, you're going to take the black cream makeup that we used before and go ahead and apply that to your eyelid, and we're going to top that off with some eyeshadow just to darken it up and set everything in place. So as I'm applying this, as you see, I'm making sure that it's completely covered on the lash line and that there are no spaces, because you really want the darkness to be on here. I'm going to add glitter on top of it to seal the look. So I'll just let you guys watch and learn and keep it up, and then I'm gonna actually slide it out to the wing area a little bit because I want to make it a little bit more angled, like a wing liner. So yeah, I'll just let you keep watching.
DJ Tess on the beat.
Okay, you guys, I have 3 different looks that I did do off this one vampire-y look. So look number 1, I'm gonna go ahead and show you here so you can see that we just gonna do a basic vampire-y dead look, you know, just rose from the dead, but she's still glam. She's still gonna have that glam effect going on. She's still gonna look real nice, you know. So don't get it twisted, mama still bites. She got her fangs in, girl, and they are platinum edition. But yeah, don't forget to pair that with a cape and your fangs, and you in there. But wait, we forgetting something. One thing we forgetting. Don't forget to add on that extra little piece to the bottom. You know, you want to make sure that the eyes are really dead underneath. So I took that same eyeshadow I used on my crease, and I applied that underneath my eyeline. So yeah, that's how she look. Okay, you guys, on to look number 2. You know we can't complete that look without some blood, honey. You know we gotta add that blood. So I'm gonna take my blood that's already in the spray bottle, and I'm gonna spray that on the sides of my face to go ahead and create that gory look, like she's already bitten somebody and she's making sure she's hungry again, so she wants some more blood. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna just let you watch as I pair this with my spray blood. And for the final look number 3, we're gonna go ahead and give her the whole package. We gotta add them veins to the eyes. So you're gonna take some eyeliner or whatever you have that can draw these lines, and we're gonna go ahead and create the veins from the eyes. I'm gonna do this with my eyeliner, and then I'm gonna go back in with some eyeshadow, some blue and purple, just to give it a little bit more depth to the eye. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys keep watching as I draw tree branches from my eye, which is going to be considered these veins to go ahead and make this look complete. And then I'm going to splash that blood back on there and my fangs, and yeah, she's going to be ready to go fight somebody else.
I can savor the most extreme of Satan's delights. I can feed on the blood of a human victim.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share this video with a friend. Until next time, goons and goblins.
Death of 2 young men within the last 10 days, and each victim bearing the mark of the devil. Been accursed to the evil of some who abide. But the signs are plain.